Hi student, this is the class for grade 9 and today we will discuss about the immunity. Why do we fall ill? So this is the terms immunity. What is immunity? It is the first question. What do you mean by immunity? So, to understand what is immunity, you have to know the main two terms, that is antigen and antibody. Antigen and antibody. What is antigen? Antigen is the foreign particle which enters into our body and bound the body to produce the antibody, that is known as antigen. Antigen, I repeat the answer. Thus, what is antigen? Antigen is a foreign particle which enters in our body and bound the body to produce antibody. If any substance, any microorganisms enters into our body but our body do not produce the antibody, then that microbes does not treat as an antigen. So what is antigen? Antigen is a foreign particle which enters into our body and bound the body to produce the antibody. Antigen may be bacteria, may be protozoa, any kinds of microorganism which produce disease in our body, and that's why our body produce the antibody to control the antigen. And this total process is known as immunity. Then what is immunity? Immunity means the ability of an organism to produce antibody and kill the antigen. I repeat, immunity is the ability of an organism to produce antibody and kill the antigen. In simple, it is called immunity. For better description, I give you some examples.
You may have noted that some people that sick more often than others. When an infectious disease is rounds of your locality, there are some who are remain healthy, but while others take ill too soon. Also, even though our body is attacked every day by several infectious agents, we do not get ill all the times. Why is that? The answer lies that the immunity of our body, which varies individuals to individuals, immunity is overall ability of an host to fight against different types of disease causing organisms, that is antigens.
What is antibody? Antibody is a protein. Antibody is a protein. Which protein? Now, it is called Ig. Ig for immunoglobulin. Ig for immunoglobulin. It is a globulin protein which produced in our body, and this protein have the ability to to kill the antigen. This is called antibody. Then what is antibody? Antibody is a protein, means globulin protein, which helps to kill the antigen. That is known as antibody. Now, what is the antigen and what is the antibody? Now clear? Then we can understand what is immunity. I repeat again, immunity is the ability of an organism to produce an antibody to kill the antigen. Antigen, to control the antigen, to kill the antigen, antibody is essential for our body, and the power, the ability to produce antibody is called immunity. It is the simple definition for immunity. Now, we will discuss about different types of antibody. We have already said what is antigen. Antigen is a foreign particle. Means there may be bacteria, may be protozoa, may be virus. Bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi, algae, all are known as antigen. The foreign particle which is enters in our body and produce the disease, that is known as antigen. And antibody produced in our body, this is a globulin protein, so it is a different type. Mainly antibody are of 5 types: IgG, IgM, IgD, IgE, and IgA. So the antibody are of 5 types: IgG, IgM, IgD, IgE, and IgA. This is categorized depends upon its structure and ability to kill the different type of antigen. How it functions, what is the difference, that will be discussed in next classes. What is immunity? Second, what is antigen and antibody? Write the difference between antigen and antibody. 4. Classify antibody. These are the main 4 questions for this class. Please write it and send me in WhatsApp group the answer. If there is any problem, give the message, I will discuss further. So in short, I lastly repeat the total today's class What is immunity? Immunity is the ability to produce antigen, to produce antibody against the antigen. So what is immune response? Immune response is the property of an organism. Immunity and immune response. Immune response is the mechanism, and the property or ability is known as immunity. And immune response it is the mechanism which is done by the body to give us immunity. How the response occurs? Now, when an antigen, think it is an antigen, it is the human body, it's entered the host, it is known as host, where the antigen infect, it is known as host, and antigen enters into the host body, then host body reveals or produces the antibody. When it enters into a host, then it is known as antibody produced within the host body to kill the organism, to kill the antigen. It is known as, this mechanism is called immune response. So the further discussion will be in next class, but before the next class, please see willfully, understand willfully the today's class, because it is a very vital topic, that is immunity. If you unable to understand what is immunity, then the further class that will be difficult for you. So please read it willfully, understand it willfully. If any problem, ask me again. The further discussion will be in next class. Before the next class, prepare all the questions which is given in this review.